to my channel. I am the most comfortable heels. I'm so happy that you guys are here. Today I'm gonna do something very different. Normally I talk about heels, how you can make your heels comfortable. That's why I named my channel The Most Comfortable Heels. People really have been asking me if I could do a makeup tutorial. I feel like, okay, let me do a makeup tutorial. I don't really believe in primers. I rather use a very good serum, and one serum I really like is this one. This is my favorite serum. This is what I use every day on my face. So I'm just gonna put some of it, like 5 drops. This moisturizing serum is perfect to keep your face hydrated. I use it every night and every morning, and honestly, if I don't use it, I notice that my skin gets really bumpy. I like to use this to keep my face as hydrated as possible. The next thing I really like to use is the foundation stick from Sephora, Made No Mistake. I'm gonna use this foundation and put it in the areas where my face is slightly darker, so underneath my eyes, on top of my lips, and also on my chin as well, and also on my nose. I'm gonna blend it out with a flat foundation brush. Then I like to mix up my foundation. This is the one I use. This one is from Black Up. It's the number 17, and I'm gonna mix it with this one from Black Up as well. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the foundation with each other. If you can see, the color is really red. It has like a very red undertone, and I like that because I really like to have the warm undertone on my face. And I'm gonna take that foundation brush that I just used, that flat foundation brush, and blend everything out. Wow, my face looks orange. Then I like to use this one, this number here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this Pro Longwear concealer to even out the redness in my face. Can you see that redness? I'm gonna even that out with the concealer. I'm gonna apply the concealer underneath my eyes, on top of my lips, on my chin, and on my forehead, and blend everything out. This contouring stick of Black Up is really everything. It makes me so excited. I'm gonna use it as a contour underneath my cheekbones and blend everything out with the same foundation brush I've been using. Guys, I don't have a lot of tools, but this foundation brush is everything. And then I'm gonna use the same concealer I've been using underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use it as a contour to give my nose a little bit more definition. I'm blending out those harsh lines with the same flat foundation brush. I really love this contour powder from Black Up. I'm gonna use this on my nose and also underneath my cheekbones to give my face a little bit more definition. I love this contour powder because it has a nice warm tone. Now I'm gonna use this setting powder from Black Up to set the concealer on my nose, underneath my eyes, on my chin, and on my forehead. By the way, when I put the setting powder on my nose, I like to give my nose that exclamation mark shape, you know, with the setting powder. It just gives my nose a little bit more definition. Now I'm gonna pat on the setting powder underneath my eyes. When I did this, I noticed I put a lot, so when you do this, just make sure you don't use that much. And oh yeah, guys, pay attention here. When I put setting powder on my face, I also like to put it on my eyebrows to prevent shiny eyebrows by the end of the day. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that contour powder and use it underneath my cheekbones. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Hema eyebrow pencil in color number 9. This pencil is really amazing. It's just €2 and I've been using this forever. With light feathery strokes and brushing out my eyebrows, I give my eyebrows a very natural look. Then I'm gonna use this contour cream kit of Anastasia, and I'm gonna use the concealer color Cinnamon and use it underneath my eyebrows to give my eyebrows a more defined look. I'm just gonna grab that flat foundation brush and blend out the concealer underneath my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use that same contour powder, the brown color, and I'm gonna use it in my crease to give my eyes some more definition. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this dark rich plum blush on the crease of my eyes just to give the eyes a more brown smoky look. I'm gonna use this cream eye color from Shiseido, this very black cream color. I'm gonna apply it on the lids of my eyes, and I'm just gonna, generously apply it on my eyes. Then I'm gonna blend out those harsh lines with a blending brush and make sure those lines are, really blended out. And then with this black color of this eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna pat that on the cream color and make this look extra black and extra intense. Now I'm just gonna take my time and blend out those harsh lines as good as possible. And I'm really gonna take my time right here and blend it out and move the brush upwards to give this look an extra smoky look. And to intensify the look, I'm just gonna go back and add some more black eyeshadow on my eyelids, and I'm gonna do the same for my lower eyelids. I'm just gonna pack on that black and make sure that eyelid is very, very black. So now I'm gonna use this black eyeliner in my waterline. I'm also gonna use it as an eyeliner on my eyelids, and then I'm gonna blend out those harsh lines with a blending brush and make sure everything is nice and even. And then I'm gonna take some mascara and just use some to give this look a little bit more of a dramatic look. Now I'm just dusting off all the excess setting powder I have on my face. To warm up my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this MAC blush. It's called Raisin, and it's gonna give my face a nice warm glow. To make this look extra dramatic, I'm gonna put on some lashes. To make sure that the eyelashes stay on my eyes, I press on the eyelashes with each other. Then I go back with mascara and apply it all over my lashes and also the false lashes. To give myself the bright under eye look, I'm gonna put some compact powder foundation underneath my eyes. So let's go over to the lips. This is the most important part of this look. I'm gonna use a lip liner to define my lips. This very beautiful dark red warm berry from NYX. Now it's time to fill in my lips with this beautiful 31M matte Black Up lipstick. Now I'm gonna grab that eye pencil and I'm gonna use it for my lips. I'm gonna line my lips and make sure those edges are extra black, just as black as how they used to do it in the 90s. But the only difference is I'm gonna blend out those lines with a lip liner brush. I'm just gonna blend out everything properly, and then I'm gonna go back and add the black lip liner again and make those borders as black as possible. And then I'm gonna grab a lighter red shade lipstick and put it on the inner parts of my lips. Then I'm gonna grab the high shine lip gloss and cover my lips with it and make this look extra popping. And I really love the red lipstick and the shine. I never done that before, and it makes me think like, oh my god, why didn't I do that? So yeah. Oh wait, look, I'm taking a bite of this quote unquote bite of this tissue to prevent lipstick coming on my teeth. And then I'm gonna go over with the MAC Prep and Prime and spray that on my face all over. You wanna, be generous with that. And then add some beautiful highlighter. This one is called the Gold Deposit, and it's gonna give this look a nice sultry glow, guys. Oh my god, I love this look. Come on, sis, look at you. Woo! I really love this look. And if you love this look, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to hear more about the most comfortable heels, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Tot gauw!